Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mom and Little Ones. So this video is very special science experiment and it is called as walking water experiment. In this video, we have taught our kid what are primary colors, what are secondary colors and how the colors are moving from one glass to other. So we took only 3 watercolors, that is blue, yellow and red. So we had just taken watercolor and mixed it in a glass of water with a brush. Here he is doing the same. So this is the way we are placing. One is yellow, one is empty glass, then blue, then empty glass, and then we have taken red. So you can place them in a line and you would need some tissue papers. So we have just taken plain tissue papers and folded it in this shape and put along one on one color. For example, we have put one in blue and then in the empty glass, second in red, and again in the common empty glass from where the blue side is even coming. Again we'll take from blue and put it into the yellow, the empty glass, and again from yellow we'll take it and put it in the empty glass between blue and yellow. So this way you have to place. I hope it is clear to you all now. Now you will see how the water moves from one color, that is yellow and blue and red, and comes in the empty glasses and the color mixes. For this, it will take some time. You have to keep observing it, and it works it in the same capillary format as the water passes from the branches, from the roots to the branches and then to the leaves. So in this way you can see the water is moving. You can clearly see, I think. See, the tissues are wet. From the blue it is more clear because it is a dark color. So in this way the colors are moving. See, the colors have moved and it has been taken after 12 to 14 hours, and see, yellow to green, yellow to the empty glass and blue to the empty glass. So the color formed is green. Same way blue and red coming in the same glass, and it is forming a bit of maroonish or the dark purple. So it will take, total it would take around 24 hours, but I have recorded it in different stages, different intervals. Like this is after 12 hours maybe, and now the color is the color from the main glasses has even reduced. You can check that. It was full up to, I think, 1/3 was empty, 1/4 was empty. Now it is not completely half, but a little more than half. So the colors are moving. You can see the green color in between, and here it is coming as maroonish or purple. I'll just show you the end result. So this is again captured after 20 or 18-20 hours. And this way the kids will even learn what are the primary colors and how the color formation are done for the secondary colors. Why is it called secondary colors? So what is the color which is created when yellow and blue are mixed and when blue and red are mixed? So you can see here, I've tried to show it in a zoom format. You can see, I think blue is coming to again both the glasses. Here it is forming dark purple and green in the empty glasses. So this is quite interesting activity. My little one enjoyed, because since like for long 24 hours he was continuously watching and observing and was even getting shocked that how the colors are moving, mama, how is it possible? He enjoyed it completely, and I'm sure your kids would even enjoy it. So now you can see these are all the videos which has been captured in different intervals. Don't be worried if till 10 hours no water has been transformed. Surely, I'm very sure that after 24 hours you will get to see the result. So give it some time, have patience. Now you can see light green and the maroonish dark purple kind of color coming in. So now they have reduced than half, and it's after 24 hours, and it was fun. So do try this video out, and I'm sure you all will like it. So please like and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.